The idea of Earth being completely destroyed, not just rendered uninhabitable but obliterated, sounds like science fiction. But is it possible? Let's explore the most extreme, yet theoretically plausible ways Earth could meet its absolute end. We've all heard of the dinosaur extinction asteroid, but that one was about 10 kilometers wide. To destroy the Earth itself, you'd need something much bigger, at least Mars-sized. A massive object like Theia, the theorized planet that collided with Earth 4.5 billion years ago to create the Moon, could do the trick. The result? A total planetary breakup. Molten rock, atmosphere gone, biosphere erased. But objects that size don't usually fly around the solar system, so while a theoretical possibility, it's astronomically rare. A black hole drifting through space and into our solar system could literally eat Earth. If it's a stellar mass black hole, about the mass of our sun or more, and it passes close enough, Earth could be torn apart by tidal forces or pulled into the event horizon and crushed into a singularity. Even a primordial black hole, a hypothetical relic of the early universe the size of a grain of sand but with massive density, could pass through Earth and cause unimaginable damage, though likely not full destruction. Thankfully, we've never seen evidence of rogue black holes nearby. If a massive star nearby within 30 light years were to go supernova or worse, emit a gamma-ray burst, GRB, in our direction, it could strip Earth's atmosphere and bombard us with lethal radiation. Earth wouldn't explode, but it would become dead permanently. A GRB is like a cosmic death ray. If the jet hits Earth directly, it could sterilize the surface and destroy the ozone layer in seconds. While this wouldn't shatter the planet physically, it would wipe out all life, possibly forever. Luckily, the nearest candidate stars for GRBs, like WR104, are far enough away that we're probably safe. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and become a red giant, swelling out past the orbits of Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. If we're not engulfed, we'll be roasted alive and stripped of our atmosphere and oceans. Eventually, the Sun will shed its outer layers and become a white dwarf, leaving the charred core of Earth orbiting a ghost star, or completely incinerating it in the process. This is the most guaranteed way Earth will be destroyed. It's just a long, long time from now. Could humans accidentally destroy Earth? Not easily, but some theoretical risks exist. Strange matter scenario. Some physicists once feared that high-energy particle colliders like the LHC could create a strangelet, a hypothetical particle that converts regular matter into strange matter. If such a particle existed and went rogue, it could theoretically convert all Earth's atoms into a dense, lifeless sphere. Vacuum decay. A scarier but still wildly theoretical idea is that the universe is in a false vacuum, a temporary state of stability. If a quantum event somewhere triggered a shift to a more stable vacuum state, it could result in a bubble expanding at the speed of light, rewriting physics and disintegrating everything, including Earth. This kind of existential catastrophe has no warning. One moment we're here, next moment, nothing. While there's no proof of intelligent extraterrestrials, if a civilization were advanced enough to harness the energy of entire stars, type 2 or 3 on the Kardashev scale, they could feasibly destroy planets. How? They could direct stellar beams, relativistic weapons, or even construct von Neumann probes that dismantle planets for resources. If aliens wanted Earth gone, we might not even see it coming. If a super-intelligent AI decided humans or Earth were a threat, it could theoretically create self-replicating nanobots, machines that consume matter to reproduce. If left unchecked, this could lead to the grey goo scenario, Earth converted into a mass of microscopic robots. Would this destroy the planet? Not its mass, but its ecosystem, surface, and identity would vanish. If a large amount of antimatter came into contact with Earth, the resulting explosion would release energy at nearly 100% efficiency, far more than a nuclear bomb. A planetary-sized amount of antimatter could obliterate Earth entirely. Of course, we don't know of any naturally occurring planetary antimatter, and we definitely don't have enough to do that ourselves. A catastrophic collision with a rogue planet, say a wandering gas giant or Planet 9, could destroy Earth entirely. The energy from such an impact would vaporize the crust, send fragments into space, and possibly reform a new planetary body. This has happened before, as with Theia. The chance of it happening again, low but not zero. Some philosophers and scientists entertain the idea that we live in a computer simulation. If that's true, Earth only exists as code. And if whoever's running the simulation decides to unplug it, we're gone, instantly and totally. While this is more philosophical than physical, it's still a hypothetical pathway to total annihilation. The good news, most of these scenarios are incredibly rare, hypothetical, or billions of years away. Earth isn't likely to be destroyed tomorrow or next year, but yes, there are ways it could be completely destroyed. Whether by cosmic accident, human ambition, or universal laws we don't fully understand yet, the total destruction of our planet is possible, even if wildly improbable. So while we shouldn't panic, we should stay curious and maybe keep an eye on the sky.